In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the signature pad plugin in Bubble.io. Let's dive right in and start with the essentials to get this plugin up and running smoothly. First, head over to Bubble.io, the platform we're using. If you aren't already logged in, you'll want to do that now. Simply navigate to the login page of Bubble and then click on Login to get started. For those using Google accounts, you'll find this step even more straightforward. Just click on Continue with Google, which allows you to bypass entering your username and password manually. Go ahead and select your Google account from the list presented. Once that's done, you'll need to click on Continue, confirming access and redirecting you back to Bubble. With you now logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From here, you'll want to find and click on the project that you wish to add the signature pad to. If you have multiple projects, you might need to scroll a bit to find the one you're looking for. After selecting your project, the next step is to enter your web app's design environment. Once you're in the design area, it's time to focus on integrating our desired plugin. You'll see a side panel where you can find various options, including plugins. Click on Plugins, then move to the Add Plugins section. In the search bar provided, type Signature Pad to locate our specific plugin quickly. Once it appears in your search results, click Install to add it to your project's library of tools. With the plugin installed, the next logical step is to return to the design page. Here, search for the Signature Pad element within the Elements panel. You'll be able to see it because it's now part of your toolbox. Click on it to place it onto your app's canvas, deciding where best it fits into your design layout. Once the signature pad is in place, it's time to tailor it to your needs by creating workflows. Workflows determine exactly what happens when users interact with the signature pad. This could be anything from saving the signature to a specific user's account data to triggering other parts of your system. It's entirely flexible, letting you decide what works best for your application. Now that your setup is complete, you can click on the play button to preview your application. This step allows you to see everything in action as though you're a live user. Make sure to test the signing functionality thoroughly to ensure it works seamlessly. This includes starting the signature pad and trying out the signing process to confirm it meets your expectations. And there you have it, you've successfully set up the signature pad plugin in Bubble.io. With these steps, you've added an essential interactive element to your app, enhancing its usability. Keep experimenting with different features and workflows to make the most of this tool. Thank you for following along, and happy developing.